this is Alma from Edal's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my version of biryani, Pinoy style, which is highly requested by my viewers. First, we're gonna need 3 pounds chicken drumsticks. Then we have the turmeric, meat masala, coriander, salt, chili, and biryani powder. Add all the spices with the garlic paste and ginger paste. Mix together and marinate for 6 hours or overnight. Next, we're gonna heat some oil in the pan. Then fry 2 large sliced red onions. Fry it until it turns golden brown. And it should look something like this. Now friends, itong biryani na to is a Pinoy style biryani, okay? For the rice, we have to boil water and these are the spices that we need to put. We have the bay leaf, the cardamoms, the star anise, and cinnamon sticks, salt, and oil. Now we're gonna mix all together while the water boils. Now we're going to add the rice, which was previously soaked for 30 minutes. Boil the rice until it's about 70% cooked. That's around 10 to 15 minutes. Here we also need coriander, mint leaves, and green chilies. To add color, I dissolve saffron into 2 tablespoons warm milk. We will also need a cup of plain yogurt. Now on a large pan, we add oil on it and those chicken drumsticks. And cover top with yogurt. And then we add 2/3 of the mint leaves, 2/3 of the coriander leaves, and half of the onions. Drain the rice and add onto the pot. Pour on top the saffron and milk mixture, some rose water, some fried onion, and melted butter or ghee. Sprinkle the remaining mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now we're ready to cook. Set 10 minutes on high heat, 20 minutes on medium heat, and 10 minutes on low heat. Now, after 45 minutes, our biryani is ready. Plate and garnish your biryani with fried onions and green leaves on top. You can also add cashew nuts if you like. And here's my version of biryani Pinoy style. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoy it.
Hey friends, we hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.